You just found the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the best of both worlds in this versatile, capable Avalanche. A thoughtful blending of pickup utility and SUV comfort and convenience are yours in this stylish, family-friendly truck. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, iPod, MP3 input, 4x4, 8-cylinder engine, sunroof, satellite radio, remote engine start, premium sound system. Don't sacrifice comfort to get utility. Enjoy the best of both in this stylish Avalanche. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.